Respected management, dear parents, teachers, and my dear lovely little children, a very pleasant evening for everyone. I, Rebecca, here stand before you, take immense pleasure in hosting this program. Education is not just about reading books and writing exams. It is about learning how to think, create and grow as better human beings. As a great leader, Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Dignity is never silent. It has a voice, heart and soul. Truth and courage are its foundation. It will stand against the masses and speak the truth, because every great person has always done what others found fear in doing. A celebration becomes truly meaningful when it have made remarkable contributions to the society. Today, we feel immensely proud and honored to have such distinguished guests among us. I'd love to introduce Shri Dr. Segar Arivaragan Sir, MBBS, MS, MCH, Cardiothoracic Surgeon, Columbia Hospital, to please come forward onto the dia. I'd like to call Raghavendra Rao, General Secretary, Kolar District, Indian Youth Congress. Shall we give them a big applause? Sir, Sub-Inspector of Robertson Pit KGF, onto the stage. I'd like to call Shri Lakshmikant Mohan Sir, ZRI FinServe Private Limited, Relationship Manager, to honor him. Trees from one person to another person, from one place to another place. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is a symbolic moment that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting of thought and enlightenment. It is our honor to invite the dignitaries
Good evening, everyone. Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Management, dear parents, and my lovely little star. A very pleasant evening to one and all. On behalf of Ethic International Montessori Preschool, it is my proud privilege to welcome you to our most awaited celebration of our National Annual Day. Today is not just a function. It is celebration of growth, learning, confidence, and the beautiful journey of our little children. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt welcome to our respected chief guest. Your gracious presence adds such charm, inspiration to this special occasion. Thank you for your taking your valuable time to be with us today. I warmly welcome our honorable management whose vision and dedication have built this institution with strong values, discipline, and love for education.
As we gather together in celebrating this wonderful event, let us all stand up in welcoming our cute little graduates of LA.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಲಕ್ಷಣ. ನಾನು LKGಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ದಿನ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಥಿಕ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿನ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಭಾಷೆ, ವ್ಯಂಜನಾಟಗಳು, ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಲು ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಹಿಡಿಯುವುದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿ ತಬು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಚಿತ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅನುಷ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇತರವಾದ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಮರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Now I would like to call Shivika onto the stage.
Good evening, respected teachers, parents and my dear friends. My name is Shivika. I am studying in Lower. Today is a graduation day to our big brothers and sisters of Upper Mode. Big brothers and sisters, thanks for sharing the toys and helping us. Congratulations. We wish you all the best. Thank you.
Every decently made object, from a house to a lamppost to a bridge, spoon or a cup. Let us give a big applause. Let us clap and encourage the students. I hope everyone has brought your hands. Let us clap together. Let us clap. Tejushree. Let us encourage them by clapping the hands, please. Clap. Let's clap. Please, all the parents and all raise your hands. Yes, we have brought the hands. So let us clap louder. Yes. Thank you.
Beloved teachers and all my dear ethic superstars, esteemed guest, Sri Dr. Arivaragan Sir, MBBS, MS, MCH, Cardiothoracic Surgeon, Columbia Hospital, and Sri Mahesh Mali Sir, Sub-Inspector Robertson Pit, KGF. Good evening everyone. Tonight, this stage is not just decorated with lights. It's glowing with dreams. When I look our uppermost children in their graduation caps, I don't just see students, I see courage and I see transformation, I see a journey. Few years ago, these small little children walked into our ethics school holding their parents' hand tightly. Some were tears, some were there confused and some were afraid. But today, they walk onto the stage with confidence, with pride, with spark in their eyes that say, I am ready, and that is education. At Ethic International Montessori Preschool, we do not force child to become something. We allow them to discover who they already are. We build personalities. We don't just prepare children for the exams, we prepare for their life. Because true education is not about the marks, it's about the values. It's about confidence and it's about the character. And to our uppermost graduate kids, my dear children, today you are graduating. Let me tell you something powerful. This cap you wear is not just a graduation cap. It is a crown and courage. It is respect every small step you took. The first letter you wrote, the first poem you recited, the first time you stood on the stage without fear, from tiny hands learning to hold the crayons, to the confident voice performing on this very stage. You have grown. As a management, myself and Chitra ma'am, we both stand here not just proud, but it's an emotion because watching you all grow your achievement. And coming to teachers, Teachers, you are incredible. You are silent architects of these little ones. You teach beyond textbooks, you teach patience, you teach kindness, and you teach resilience. When children says I can't, you whisper you can. But behind every confident graduate to here, there is a teacher who believed in themselves before they believed. You are heartbeat of Ethic International Montessori, and I proudly salute you both. And dear parents, thank you for trusting us with most precious treasure. A child's success is never the work of one hand. It is a combined strength of parents and teachers working together. Your faith is inspire us to do better every single day. Thank you, parents. And
My name is Sakshaya. I am studying in Appama. Today is a graduation day. My school name is Ethic International School. My school, my my class my name is Purva. I am studying upon my school name is Ethic International School. My class teacher name is Tabasama. Today is a graduation day. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you. And my name is Teju. I am studying in Appama. My school name is Ethic International Preschool. Today I am Ashika. I am studying in Appamon. Today is a graduation day. I like to share my experience about my school, teachers and friends. I learned many good things at my school, like punctuality, discipline and good manners during my journey. I am grateful to my loving teachers. They always taught us with good care. Finally, all the very best to all my friends. Thank you.
Thank you.
The graduation day is not the end, it's just the beginning. Thank you. Miss Tanish, I am studying Joshua. I am studying in Appoma. My school name is Ethic International School. My class teacher name is Tabasama. Today is a graduation day. Teachers takes a hand, opens a mind and touches the art of the student. My name is Fawwan. I am studying in Appoma. My school name is Ethic International School. My class teacher name is Tabasama. Today is a graduation day. A good education can change the anyone, but a good teacher can change the everything. Thank you.
Respected our chief guests are Mr. Mahesh, Sub-Inspector of Police, KGF, management, dear parents, little stars. First of all, I will congratulate the management for establishing such a beautiful school in KGF. I have not seen such a graduation in my life. I took graduation only after my MBBS. And what talents at this age, they are giving them courage, confidence to the students. They are just LKG or Montessori. In spite of that, they are so much courage there. KGF is known for education, skill, technical aspect. Why I am telling? From KGF, all are excelling in all other fields. Now, we are not aware of this administration field, especially IAS, IPS, IRS, Indian Foreign Service. I want the parents put these things in their children's mind. Nowadays, most of the administrative officers are coming from other parts. I don't want to mention, but I want parents, not only parents, and the teachers to encourage them for taking up IAS, IPS, IRS, Indian Foreign Service. If they succeed, they can rule. They can rule. Many people will come and stand in front of them. So we are giving education. Other fields they are excelling, not in this particular field. So I want the teachers to guide them. Not only studies, I want students to teach them sports, singing, dancing. Nowadays, children, say I don't miss this Sarigamappa, Little Champ.
Sir, onto the stage, please give him a big applause.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವರುಣ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಥಿಕ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಸಿರಿ ಮೊಳಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗಿಂದನೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು, ಕಾನೂನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಇವಾಗಿಂದನೇ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವರು ಶಿಸ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹನೆ ಮನೋಭಾವನದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಅಂಥವುಗಳನ್ನು ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೆಳೆದು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುರು ವೃಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮನೆ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ ಆದರೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮೊದಲ ಗುರು. ತಾಯಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಅವರು ನಡೆಯೋದು, ಮಾತನಾಡೋದು, ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಪ್ ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿಯೋವರೆಗೂ ಅವರು ಒಡನಾಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you so much, sir.